Hi, I'm Shan Wu with DC Student Defense, and I want to talk to you about being caught with a fake ID or identification. So the one thing to keep in mind is, depending on how this happens, there could be some criminal liability as well. I don't mean for the underage drinking, it's just for having the fake ID. Very typically, it may arise when a student leaves their book bag or a purse or a wallet someplace. Campus police find it. They look through it to identify who the student is, and they find there's fake IDs there too. So one hint to the wise might be not to carry those around with you all the time. However, if you're actually going someplace to a club or to a bar and the ID is presented and they confiscate it, they question you about it, you could be arrested there, or they might just take it. And then the question becomes, if you're arrested, will the school find out? Answer is probably yes. If they take it, will the school find out? Maybe. And when you're at school, of course, they find it in the book bag or a wallet or a purse, the school will obviously find out, and you can expect that you will get a notice about that. So in all of these instances, the thing to do is to not try to explain things too much until you can talk to a student defense lawyer. Certainly, if the police arrest you, of course, be very polite, but don't answer any questions, and don't try and talk your way out of it. The difficulty often arises when the school acts at the same time that the criminal case happens. What do you do in those instances? Because there's a Fifth Amendment privilege, you normally would want to stay silent. Case-by-case determination, we need to analyze the facts with you, see how grave of a risk the criminal case is, and we also work with criminal defense counsel around the country. If it's right by us, we can take care of it, but we can help you find someone and make sure that they're coordinating your school defense with whatever's happening in the criminal case, because you need to keep both of those in mind. And the school's not going to care how the criminal case comes out. They'll care if you get convicted, but if the criminal case goes away, it's not going to matter. You're still going to have the school case to deal with. So the first step, as is usually the case, is you want to talk to an experienced student defense counsel.